go. Oh, here's the camera. Okay. Mukhang tignan, vlogger ako. Do you have keys? Go na there.
Go to your seat, baby.
Bibili muna ako ng dog food ah.
Hindi na tayo mamuha na.
Ay no, tumawa na? Why?
Good job, baby.
Good job.
Good job, anak. Yeah, good job, baby.
Alam, may scammer. Napili daw akong manalo ng Mega Win. Ewan ko. Sure win to. 150 pesos mo papalduhin natin. Sure win ka pala. Ita-text ko yun, mami. Hindi naman ako pamaldo eh. Hello. 150k yung ilan ako. Hindi naman ako nagpagdapal.
Grabe ang mga scammer, walang pakonsent.
Of course naman. Kaya nga sila scammer. Wala na silang gano'n. Karma is real naman. Don't do that.
Kaya na ba utang natin dito?
Don't get the phone. I mean the camera.
June pa lang ako.
Ah, June pa? Paid na tayo ng paid. Hindi ako na nagpapatay ako. Babe, lagi akong gutom kahit na palaki ako ng palaki. Gutom pa din. Kada dede gutom. Kain.
Talk to the camera. Come on.
Say baby,
You want
hi
hold it?
guys. Welcome to my vlog.
Talk to it. Whatever you want to talk about. It's music, please.
Play me yung popular.
Popular?
You know popular already?
Popular, Mama?
Hindi ko kayo. Hold on.
Ganda, natapos ko na.
Kaka.
And syempre may part
Kaka.
Ayaw
Nasa
ako.
weeks. Sinisiraan lang siya.
Kaya, may kwento lang. Ang mga walang power sa ginagamit. Tapos hindi ko pa rin nalaman kung bakit parang nagalit si Ariana sa kanya.
Hindi galit si Ariana.
Hindi dun sa umpisa ng kwento. Kasi di ba sinunog na yung ano niya, sabing
Hindi pa rin.
wala nagmumorn. So,
Mama, I want
Di ba yung kumanta ng
please.
porn ay yung ano? Yung mga citizen.
sing please, Mama. Sing please.
Na-manipulate kasi siya.
Baka kaya siya ano.
Kaya siya naging si Galo the Village. There you go, baby. Fortunate tonight. Let's face it.
What? The real one. The real one, Tito.
Please.
Please.
Since we have to take over. I know.
The real one, please, Tito.
The real one, baby, just don't have a video because it's in the car.
Don't stop us, okay? Dapat naman sa Facebook yung ano, tricycle.
Oo, yung trap.
Grabe.
Oo, kita-kita, grabe nga.
Tanggal yung ano yung ano yun. Yung mga tricycle.
Sobra. Kita-kita.
May pasahero.
Sobra yung pagkatumba.
Mga tanga kasi. Lilipat na rin yan.
Sakto pang may truck.
Ano nga, driver lang namatay dun.
Ano ba namatay? Ay, may nakalagay na pala sa sulat na may namatay.
Dami
Hindi
lang
lang
kayo
pinakita.
nakalagay.
Sakto kasi yung daan ng truck eh. Na ano. Mapailalim talaga.
Pailalim?
Oo.
Sakto eh. Saktong ganun nila. Saktong ano ng truck.
Kaya matay lang sila. Hindi naman umilalim.
Kinat yung video kasi kaya hindi nakita.
Gilid
Baka
tumama yung
magkaiba nga tayo.
Yun ba yung tumagi ng sasakyan na itim?
Sedan sa kanan.
Oo. Hindi naman umilalim yun. Nagilid lang yun. Tumama.
Meron bang buong video na ano hindi edited?
Sa gilid lang kasi tumama, di ba? Ito yung truck, pasalubong. Yung tricycle dito tumama, kaya gumanon. Nakalampas na ng konti yung usok ng truck. Tapos tumilapon yung sakay.
Nasa gilid.
Ewan ko kung nasa likod, hindi sa may tumilapon eh.
Ang unang nahulog ay yung nasa likod ng driver eh.
Walang ano, yung napanood ko ay ano, edited siya kasi nga for
Oo, hindi pwede yung
doon lang sa mismong matutumba na
sa
dapat.
ABS-CBN yung sa tayo nakita ko. Natatawa ako sa mga ano. Gawang capture ang GMA pag nagbabalik ka. Tapos nagbabasa ako sa comments, natatawa ako kasi meron daw isa na news na ano, sabi, isang babae hinabol ng baril ng ano, hinabol ng baril ng isang lalaki. Tapos sa comment doon, baka isang babae hinabol ng lalaking may baril. Sabi ganun. Tapos yung iba doon, yung GMA, simula na wala yung ABS-CBN, pabobo ang mga ano, ang mga...
Yun na nga yung context nun eh, babae, hinabol ng tao na may baril.
Oo, ang caption niya ng GMA ay ano, babae hinabol ng baril. Hinabol ng baril ng isang lalaki.
Nililiteral kasi nila.
Oo.
O ba yung nagko-comment, wala nang silang masabi.
Oo, yung pagputok-putok. Hindi, comprehension kasi sa comprehension. So, tama nga yung pagkakaw, di ba binabalik ka na, hinahabol nga ng baril. Natatawa ako sa mga nagko-comment. Hindi legit sila.
Wala silang magawa.
One more
Tapos
dito.
kinihimaw.
Popular.
Let's do the defying gravity base. I hope you're happy. I hope you're happy now. How are you? I hope you're happy too. I hope you're over to feed on the shed. So that I can't imagine how. I hope you're happy right now. You can still be with the wizard and waited for. You could have all you ever wanted.
There she
I don't want to.
Hey, why are you watching me with the camera?
Yeah, don't watch her in using the camera. Wait for the video in YouTube. May expect ako ba?
Popular, please.
Pero natatamad ako.
Popular. Popular.
Ah.
Ako, hindi na ako nag-i-edit.
Watch that tonight. Watch that tonight. To bleed. When someone needs a makeover, I simply have to take over. I don't know exactly what they need.
Watch.
I'm determined to succeed. But in me. Be popular. Gonna be popular. I'll teach you popular.
Job is too fixing, Mama.
Wala siya doon. Cut and ano sinasabi mo? Cut and something.
Oo,
Yung series nila na bata pa siya.
Yung baby yun.
Broadway artist yun eh. Doon niya na-complete. Kaya magaling siya na.
Galing niya kaya.
Opera.
At yung Veronica ata yun.
Nasapat siya. Yung apple ay pear. Pear ba yun? Bakit grabe yun? Kalawa siguro. Uwi.
Baka may traffic ito.
Very, very, very right. Hello. Protest. You're this intern.
Yung Chinese. Kaya hanap ko ito.
Wala dahil.
Wala din nakalagay kung ilang kalaman sa iyo. Nakalagay lang Crystal. Ano, pangbilan ko lang.
Hey.
Louder.
Dada.
Pang-camping.
Less fortunate than I. Simply have to take over. I know exactly what they need.
Hey.
Even in your case, toughest case I've met. I'm determined to succeed.
Hello.
Head northeast on Antero Soriano Highway, R1.
Gonna be popular. Everywhere, every popular. To me, I kind of know something else. Instead of it's a personality that I trusted to become my palaces. Girl, a virgin, and that is wiser. Now when it comes to I know that pop you. And when it
Temporary ba? Sige na.
May paano, MB5. Pag temporary plate, MB5 dapat yan. Hindi ka pwede mag-temporary plate na ang plate number na gagamitin mo is yung totoo. Pagka temporary plate ha, hindi number plate. Ang ilalagay dapat na number doon is yung MB file, mother file. Hindi yung number mismo.
Oh, yung pag nilabas yung iba.
Kaya papansin mo, pagka plate, temporary plate pa lang, yung mga malagay dyan, hindi ganyan, mahaba, mga number. Tapos pagka nagkaroon na ng plate number, ayan na, type C. Kaya nabisit ako nung pinagawa ko yung plate yung nilagay yung plate number. Sabi ko nga independent lagay. Di ba pinagawa ko yung 200 bayad?
Ba't kaya tagal mo ng plate number? Hindi yung
Dati. Ewan ko, kuratas na. Ngayon, ano naman, mabilis na. Di ba akin mabilis lang? Kinamit ko lang. Tapos ang ganyan, dalawang tatlo. Sigundan ko ng article na pag hindi sila nag-release after 12 business days. Mapin-pepe na sila. Sa DTI.
may huli kasi na. May huli na pag medyo matagal na wala ko
Look at you, Tito. Look at you.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Saying hi to the camera. Hello. We're gonna buy a new camera.
Yeah.
Pagkakuha. Kaya nga po siya
A new and cool camera. Hello.
Hindi pa, 7 days pa lang, 7 days pa lang.
Because this one is broken, Tito.
It's not broken. I just want a new camera. That's the camera I want. Yun talaga ang gusto ko.
This one is lowbat.
Huh?
This one is lowbat.
That's not lowbat.
Ay, na gano'n, nag-email na.
That's an action camera kasi. It's for extreme activities, you know.
Camera.
Are you reading it? Ang feeling mo naman. Can you read na ba? Feeling ba? Oh, galing talaga. Ala. Ah, shit. Ah.
Look at you. Look at you, Tito. Look at you.
Follow my
Look at you.
lead. What?
Look at you.
Look at me.
Yeah. Look
I
at
don't
you.
like that angle, baby. My angle is here. Oh, on this side, oh. My face is too fat there. Yeah, do that. Popular.
Look at you, Mama. Look at you.
Hi, baby!
Meron ng vlogger.
Put it in your face because your face is so pretty.
Ikaw ang mag-ano sa amin, baby, mag-intro, okay?
Look at Mama, Dad.
Hi, what you doing?
I can't see me. Ah! Me, it's here. I'm here.
You're there.
Ah!
Yourself. Look at yourself. Tuwing dumadaan tayo dito, nakikita ko yung improvement dito.
Awkward na nila. Harap
Yan,
na
lalo na
yun.
rin sila ng solar. Gumaganda na yung mirror nila ng ilaw.
It's too big, Tito.
The business is growing.
It's too big.
Very good.
Di pa ako nakain.
Ano oras ba tayo kumain kagabi?
Parang alas
Buti na lang nagising ako kagabi. I mean, gising ako ng mga eh, natawa na naman yung ano si Cody. Nagpagawa na ko. Sabi ko, buti na lang. Enjoy kasi. Pag may open house, ilang araw ay ilang oras na lang tsaka sasabihin. May open house mamaya na agad.
Sabi, wala ka namang ginagawa eh.
Here's my phone, Tito.
Yeah.
Here's my phone.
What? My phone?
Pero at least yan, paulit-ulit na yun lang yung ginagawa.
You want to use the phone?
Edit lang ano.
Oo. Tsaka, parang naka-adjust na siya na parang bigla-bigla lang magpa-pop up na. Yun ulit yung parang ganon.
Like me. I'm sorry, baby. I don't understand. What are you saying? What? Ano? The phone? Let's stop the popular. Let's stop it. Nakakarindi.
Grabe din naman, baby. Grabe.
That's Rosie. Tell me how pretty. I'm tired I hear you. Tell me that you're losing. Tell me that I'm relevant. Tell me that I'm not a man. Back it up with the rhythms. Say that I don't know why. This day and night, isn't it lonely? I'd do anything that makes you want me. Give it all up if you me, that I'd be the number one girl in your eyes. You're one and only. To me, give it all up if you that I'd be the number one girl in your eyes. No,
Please dito eh. May kanton mo.
I'm tired now.
Yung type mo nila dyan. Yung type mo nila.
I'm tired now here. You tell me that you and me. Tell me that I'm loved. Tell me that
We're almost there.
may mga sale na ano dun ah. Mga helmet
Saan?
sa SM.
Saan ba dyan?
Dun sa may taas. Na may kahanay ng treadmill na binilhan.
Yung pinisukan doon, nakaraan.
Yeah. Simula May 30 hanggang ngayon, sale pa siya. Girl in your eyes, you're one.
Dahil mo na lang. Na. Eh, pagka bigla tayo umupo, pag mag-i-intay.
Ano hintayin?
O, sige, huwag sandali. Itago mo.
Hindi ako makababa.
Go.
Okay, thank you.
Put it in your hand, baby. Like this.
Labo naman ang ano.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
We're going to the mall.
Going to the mall? Laki ni Madam, nakapolo.
Pangarap eh, amin, beta pa rin yun.
Ito, maganda na ba?
Ay, tingnan natin yung size na wala. May iba pa atang kulay. Dalawa kasi ito dapat, yung damit niya. Nawala yung isa, hindi ko na napansin nagmamadali kasi kami naman. Alam ko yun, huwag lang lang Scared of the panda? If your camera is like that, you hold the camera like this. Like this. Hold the camera. Hold the camera. Labo. Ayaw niya na magpikpik.
May bubuksan.
Ano ba kapalit ka ba?
Ito ba yung latest bro, no? Wala bang bagong ano yan, update na may release?
Wala.
Wala pa?
Wala package ko pero
Wala pang date. Baka matagal pa yan.
kasi may kasama lang siyang pouch.
I like it.
Hindi yung mapano sa ano. May pinaka-case kasi.
May bala ka ba yan, underwater yan? Merong case niya na, di ba bro?
Meron ganyan eh. Oo.
Water case proof meron yan.
Wag na, yan na nga yun.
Ito na lang.
Kaya nga pwede mo.
What?
Yan ganyan dapat ang bibili ko kaso walang ganyan.
Sa Mega Mall pa.
Mega Mall. Benta daw yan.
Kasi wala sila dati dito, di ba?
Bago lang to eh. Ah, ito pala yung battery niya. Taray.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
Oh, let's talk na. Lagi lang nakaganon, di ba ang naganon ng charge?
Ito yung battery niya.
Hindi. May apps na kayo sir na video na hindi. Kailangan nyo lang dito sir yung SD card ko na. May walang SD card yung kasama. Wala po. Anong wala?
May dalawa doon sa bahay.
Meron tatang po kayo. At kasi kahit walang memory card pwede eh.
Merong built-in.
May built-in.
Ah. Parang 64 lang.
Pinaka-mic na.
Oh, taray.
Iyaman yung camera.
Iharap mo.
Mas magugustuhan
Ito ata yung ano eh. Ito ata yung ano.
Wala naman SD card, hindi ko rin mag-record.
Meron na tayo internal.
Wala internal yan.
Meron yung ano, yan po yun.
Ito po
dito
SD card dito yan.
Try mo yung SD card dito kasi may built-in naman to eh.
You wanna try the camera? Just wait.
Bakit lang?
You wanna try the camera?
Uy, ano pa?
Ito na lang ang gawin mo Duin. Yung 'di ba ilang gig do? Ang nandito? Ilang gig?
Ano po yun? 5 something.
Hindi, meron siyang SD card dito eh. Nilagay pa.
512.
Ano yan? May stick na ay may paa na nakasama.
Try it. Mamaya ko na ano.
Kasi,
May
May ganyan
isa lang yung mic.
isa lang.
Isa lang.
Dalawang puti.
Oo.
No.
Akin na
Magdudas
yung
sila.
cellphone mo. Ituturo ko sa'yo.
Anak?
Tuturo ko sa'yo.
Ang lapit naman. Huwag ilapit masyado. Huwag ilapit masyado. Baka may mga cameraman ko naman. Ano ba yan? Oh.
Ay, isa pala lang.
Ha?
Tatlo.
Mas kasama na sila.
Oo, kasama na to.
Ito yung pinaka-case natin.
Ito ka paano pagdaling yung battery?
Kinakabit ko dito eh. Oh, parang ano lang.
Hindi yung battery.
Ayun niya, kalakabit dito. Kabit lang yan dito.
Ang galing
Kaya
naman.
ito yung...
Okay. Ina-attach lang. Galing.
Hindi pala siya addis mo yung tinatanggal.
Ito, mabilis lang ito yung money obra. Ay, money obra. Ano ba ito?
Set up.
Operate pala. Saan ito nakalagay? Ito. Ito ang extra battery, I think.
Water ano din yun, di ba?
Hindi.
Ay, hindi daw.
Yan niya, yun.
Ito yung waterproof, may ganyan ka din sir. Kanya to.
Kanya to. Akala ko pwede rin sila.
Tulad naman po dito.
Hindi tayo pwede dyan. Sa ganito nga lang tayo. Action time.
Dito, okay lang po.
Nanganak na si ano? Si Ada?
Kaya wala muna.
Ilan yung mga kayo, sir?
Tatlo.
Tatlo?
Apat yung namatay yung isa.
Naon naman yun, no?
Inon ko nga para makita sila. Hindi, inon ko yung camera para makita kayo kasi si baby ang gagalit. Nag-aasilo.
May discount daw eh.
Oo, sir. May smack card ka na.
Yeah? May 10% pala. Mali ako.
10%? Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Nasa likod pa naman ako nung nagsasalita na. Okay, ha, ito. Di pa, wait lang, nandun pa siya. May kukuha niya pa siya.
We got the camera. We're going back.
Magagamit mo camera niya.
My cell phone. We're going back, baby. Oh my god, my face so big. Okay, unboxing na tayo. For today's night.
Sabi matapos ang performance na hapon, nakayas na pages kasi natin dito. Idala para sa Louis. Last pick yung first pick runner here. Yung TLPH, naghahanap pa rin sila ng
Stickers.
lane or shoulder, pati na rin ang kanilang bintay.
Hindi na magulat na pang makita dito yung mga balier or kaya even sa Ascot Kia kasi na regardless kung meron ng county pa naman there, parts is also available para sa ating game. Pwede ko muna
So, yung export
maganda sa Onyx Philippines, maganda rin naman yan for TLPH. Kasi punta rin yung Barca, so medyo mawas yung heroes na kaya magtanggal ng Piraga Armor.
Oo, yung Piraga Armor din talaga yung talagang binabantayan. If you are an export, kapag kaya ma-burst, medyo pag-grand finals, best of 7 ang ating galawan para dito. At kung titignan yung mga hero nila, Chantel, sino ba sa tingin mo yung makakalamang sa napaka-important?
Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Sobrang ganda niya, oh. 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 Sobrang pretty, oh. Gosh. So nice. Oh. Subject detection. Nice. The mic is there pala. Yung mic pala, hindi pa natin try. Ayan na, recording na. Let's try. Try natin. ML. Hello. Okay, try natin ang mic. The mic. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much. So cringe. Sobra ako nakikringe. Okay. Hello guys. Thank you for calling that page. Okay, let's watch this later. Panoodin natin to later. This is the Zoom, right? Oh no, this is the ano. Okay. Bakit hindi ka sumusunod sa mukha ko? Can you please? Sumunod ka sa mukha ko. Good. Yan, ganyan dapat. Ako na ang bagong ama mo. Okay, yun lang.
Hindi pwedeng kamay. Ganun dahil.
Dito?
Oo.
Kasi
Makikita yung chat.
Any moment so pwede nga doon, may take home na lang tumapos ng laban. And as you mentioned, dahil nga sa itong sitwasyon,
Hindi yung bulaklak na platong
nakakaksak na punta na
Hindi, malaki. At saka pa sa camera.
Grabe naman kasi talaga yung ginawa dito ni Kendra, no? Naging even ang ating laro. If I'm being honest, itong laro ng Onyx Philippines na to, medyo naghirapan na naman sila in the early game. Tulad na lamang nung sinabi ni Coach Dexter kanina during the draft, nakalamang ang Onyx Philippines in the early part of the game, securing 2 turtles and early kills as well. Ito yung kalamangan ng Frederico position na meron ng Team Liquid Philippines.
Tinggal lang naman yung nakalilis.
Nakasabay sila eh. Dumating sa punto na, I think it was you who told me, Chantel, na pumunta na sa yung King Kong na marami ng farm. Nakakuha na siya ng kills, nakakuha na ng mga dagdag pang espasyo, pero hindi mangyayari yan kung hindi minayko ni Kendra ang karamihan ng ating mga team fights. Kita naman sa ating MVP highlights kung gaano kalupit ang mga Zaman Force niya, gaano katagal nabuhay itong hari na to while dealing damage. There are moments na tila na God mode si Sanford dito sa pag-zone out ng mga miyembro ng Onyx Philippines, pero hindi masyado nakawakan si Kendra entering this 9-minute mark, this 10-minute mark na lumagpas na nga, at dito na nila nakuha yung kakuna-kuna nilang actual goal team.
Saka nung ano time na yun ba yung naka-triple kill din na si King Kong na nakita nga natin dito sa ating highlights. And nagkaroon for Onyx kasi dito, yung pinaka-winning condition nila, yun yung nagawa nila. Sinabi din niya, yung addition pala doon sa sinabi ni Coach Dexter, majority of the objectives hindi talaga ipapalaganan ng side ng Onyx. Ganun yung ginawa nila. Tapos hindi naman disrupt si King Kong pagdating doon sa anong farming. There was a time I think around 12.
Marami ko ba kayo sa
Anong game na hindi pa nga siya.
Bakit sakto? Hindi
Tapos
mo
ang
kailangan.
in the 9 seconds, kompleto niya yung Berserkers yung Hakaspot, Alien Malefic Roar. Probably nakakita natin yan.
Money!
Ay, withdraw ka?
Kasi na parang, slow start.
Hindi kasi binayad ko niyan, dalawa.
Slow
Tapos
start, yes,
yung
pero
ano, deal ko, kaya may sobra.
Tapos parang pipilitin na nila dito na parang sakupin yung position ng kalaban nila. Pero Onyx kasi meron kang disruptive na
Very diet.
may coke. Kasi yung kanyang tempest of plates. And even yung mga ano dito, vacuum na super plates.
And kung titignan natin, again, this was a very long game. 22 minutes po ang ating naging game number 2. And if I'm being season 15. And this is expected na napakataas po ng disiplina ng dalawang grand finalists for this season 15. Think something to take note here is umabot na nga sa punto. Lamang sa Lord at Turtles ang side ng team ng Philippines. The sheer fact na nakakuha ang Onyx Philippines ng winning team points na nakakuha ng Turtles sa taas ay nakakuha din ng mga magagandang take-off ng all around the map. Take note of 3 minutes get doon sa pinakababa which is spectacular diversion din na nagmula dito kay Super Prince.
Ay, parang yung nagluluto.
Ang ganda ng disiplina
Mag-isa muna ng ano. Takin ng yun.
Nahanapan pa rin ang Onyx Philippines ng paraan na pumunta ng train.
Tagal bago bumalik.
Or Master Go.
At saka na to, yung sinasabi ni Umi.
Igisa natin ang bawang at sibuyas. Set aside for 7 days.
Isang player na kaya lang na makapag-farm from time to time magiging madali per game. At sumakto din na siya yung ating VP Range guy, King Kong at 817 gold per minute. And again, this is high for a 20-minute game considering that it was EFH on the lead sa ating early game. So, it's a matter of, again, for Onyx knowing kung ano yung pinaka-strength ng hero composite mo in the middle of the battle. Tapos nagkaroon na nga siya dito.
Bakit na yan mo ng beer?
Hindi ko mabuksan.
Doon, dito ka sa pagkain to. Yun ang pag ano, yung ginagano no. Yung ginagano no, pork.
Tapos nasara nila, gano'n na yung tapos sila na sa team. Medyo humaba pa. Hindi makapasok ko yun ng game driver, naging team fight nila. So, kung tingnan natin dito in terms of itemization, mabilis na mag-build ng Berserker Fury. Dito si King Kong around or before 6 minutes of the game. So, it happened na, or it means that for 13 games dito, it was a lot of
May ganyan na?
Another side, so na hindi naman niya kailangan i-gusto niya na gusto niya talagang pumalap pagdating doon sa objective, tapos dumiretso nga nakakascode. And yung tatlong items na sinasabi natin is na-build niya after the team fight. So you have physical penetration up against the heroes of Current Easy, Sanford, and even JP. For TLPH dito, you have 42,813 damage taken per death. So yung damage taken per death dito is not as good as compared to sa naging damage ng Granger. So parang gamon na tumatagal sila sa team fight kasi ang dami na sustain pero hindi nakakapag-seal ng kills masyado or ng other objective yung TLPH. Same goes with the damage that on the other side, yung 43,000 and 55,000 apiece for Super Prince and Kelra. So that alone, parang nga dito sa naging story ng damage taken per death.
Slipper! So dirty!
TLPH na mag-sustain or tumagal pagdating doon sa may team fight. So,
Put your slippers beside mama's slippers, baby.
Their hero composition, kaya naging maganda yung kanilang execution.
At malalaman natin kung magtutuloy mo ba yung magandang execution na yan for Onyx Philippines. As we move on towards our series, nakita natin yung farming na pinakita ng KNK Protection sa game number 2, nagbigay daan sa kanilang pagkabalik dito sa ating serye. 13 minutes in, 3 items na si Kendra, 12 minutes in, 3 items na si King Kong. Kaya makikita natin kung ganun pa rin ba. Pero sa ngayon, balik muna tayo sa Champions Arena para makausap ang ating mga hosts.
Maraming salamat sa ating panelists.
It
It is now 1-1. Buhay pa ba ang Super Fam? They are A-OK and are looking to extend and break that momentum once further, Jamie.
But before we witness another intense game, I think we need to have an intense conversation with someone who is here straight from Indonesia.
Straight from Indonesia, joining us here right at the Champions Arena. Please give it up for MPL Indonesia's Miracle. Miracle, are you over there?
Hey, Miracle!
guys. Hello.
Salamat malam, brother. How are you?
Amir ko, hindi mo.
Hey, I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
You know what? We want to talk to you about MPL Indonesia. How is it there so far? I know that the playoffs is approaching. Do you already have at least 2 representatives in mind that you want to see at MSC?
Definitely do, man. Yeah, MPL Indonesia is getting quite hot.
Hindi yan lang. Nasa planggana lang.
The end of the regular season with honestly some really good matches. It's set up properly for the playoffs. It'll be on the 11th to the 15th of June, by the way, for everyone who wants to watch in the Philippines.
Nandiyan na rin daw.
Nasa planggana. Lahat.
It's a dinosaur.
Wow.
It's just a dinosaur, Mama.
I got 2 answers.
Yes, ang dahil
I got the bias answer,
That's a
and I got the
moose.
objective
That's a
answer. Which one do you want to do
dinosaur.
first?
Okay. Yeah.
What is this?
Ay, nakakahiya.
First bias.
Let's get the bias out of here.
BTR.
Open
Sana
this
set ko yung mga...
Open this.
No, this one is not a dino.
All right.
Best team in the world.
Can you hear us now, Mirko?
Biggitron, best team in the world. That's what's gonna happen, right?
All
That's the
right.
bias answer.
All right.
That's the bias answer.
Okay, so Biggitron is one. Who's the other?
I think Onyx, though. Onyx ID.
So that's Biggitron in Onyx ID for Mirko.
What about your objective answer, though, Mirko? Who do you think will win this season for MPL Indonesia?
Alright, so RQ King Panther, number 1, number 2 in MPL Indonesia.
Indonesia pa
I
sila.
had a champion that didn't come through first or second place in the regular season. It's always been upper bracket team, kind of similar to PH. So the objective answer,
Indonesian na yun.
it has to be among, it could be
Citizen na siya.
RQ or King Panther. Should be.
Nasa
I
ako
think
ni
Deep will make
Indonesia
it
pa
out. I think Deep were definitely the
Don't
best
open
team in the regular season so far. The way they ended it was great. So
You know, lang si Citizen ng Indonesia.
First round,
It's candy eh.
number 2 though.
Nationality.
I'm thinking between RQ and Onyx, and I gotta say, Biggitron.
Still Biggitron. Okay. Well, you know what? I've been briefed. Mirko, I know you're a big fan of theirs, but let's talk about MPL Philippines. I know you're keeping yourself updated. It's a big day for us over here. Grand finals.
Oo naman.
Any predictions on who will take
Meron yung mga
the
noodles,
Immortals
yung ano,
home?
nakatak sa noodles, sa drink.
I want to know about this.
Kyrie. Baka yung
You really want to know, like, I think the fans of the building as well don't really want to know this. It's America's girl. I don't know.
Okay, it's up to you. I think we don't.
Lupo to dyan. Come on.
Binigyan siguro nila ng ano no,
Sure, sure.
sa budget yun ng government nila no.
Hindi. Nandun ang headquarters ng ano.
I mean, paano ka naging situation?
Sobrang tagal. Di ba ganun pag matagal ka nakatira sa isang bansa?
Sa atin ay
Nagiging eligible ka mag-ano. Mag-apply for citizenship.
You haven't been twice ha? Going to get that.
sa atin ay 10 years para maging
Pilipino?
hindi ka magiging
Citizen.
Wala.
They're giving the pressure to you as of the moment. Is it
Mga tawa ng
gonna
pizza
be a
ko.
mere curse or a mere bless? It's up
Pabalik-balik
to you
lang yun
to
dito.
find out.
Tapos nung na-citizen na, hindi na bumalik.
You know what? I want TLPH to win.
kasi kailangan nila sa passport.
Onyx Philippines will win. 4-3.
Okay, so in your heart, you want Deep Liquid Philippines to win.
But objectively speaking, you're saying Onyx will win.
Yes,
Okay.
100%.
Loud and clear, Mirko. We got your predictions in. Now, why don't you invite everybody watching right now to watch not only MPL Philippines, but also MPL Indonesia. I know the playoffs will happen in June, right? Go ahead, Mirko.
11th to 15th of June, guys. Catch MPL Indonesia. I'll be casting there. I think almost every day will be in the panel on the desk as well. So,
Guys, muna ka ba?
come and
Let's not
join.
selfish.
Kasi yan yung intro. You're gonna be ayay again.
This team, hey, be careful, Philippines. I'm joking, but
Ay, ano ba yan, baby? Tries!
Why the downhill emotion all of a sudden? But you know what? It's nice to have you here, Mirko. I just have one more question. I want to know more about MSC from last year and MSC from this year. What do you think is going to be the major difference?
I think the group stage will be fun, man.
Ang bilis na.
Dapat tumayo ka muna.
15 minutes lang yung tapos na kasi.
May focus yan. Doon may ano yan. Yung susunod sa papa.
Reveal to the world, but you guys will find out about it, I think, very, very soon. There'll be a video explaining it, and the format is kind of brutal for the group stage. Yeah, you guys just have to wait for it because single elimination, we already know about that. The group stage is going to be brutal.
Like it. I like it. Mirko, it is so nice to be here with you today. Hopefully you're doing well there.
Ayoko na pala lang.
And we'll catch you in MPL Indonesia and MSC, alright? We'll see you next time, Mirko. Bye-bye.
Thank you
Thanks,
so
bro.
much, Mirko. June 11th to 15th, watch MPL Indonesia. Now, more than the upcoming MSC and MPWI tournaments, also watch the 5-part document on Esports World Cup to be released on June 6th. And this is entitled Level Up.
You know,
Every
that
time
is
it gets
also
shy, I'm
directed
gonna bring you
by
to the
the
hospital
Emmy-winning
na, ha?
filmmaker RJ Cutler. The documentary features personality-focused stories with the second episode featuring Team Liquid Philippines in Sanford.
Episodes will be released weekly. EWC 2025.
You know, it's nice to be able to have a conversation with Mirko and what he thinks is the best team in the world. But at the same time, he also gave his predictions. So let's keep the ball rolling together with our panel.
Best team in the world!
Maraming salamat sa ating mga hosts sa pagkakit sa ating mga streamer na si Mirko. Mukhang nabati na niya ang Team Liquid Philippines. Ay, ang Onyx Philippines ang binati niya dahil gusto niyang manalo ang TL.
Oh, so parang hindi na natin malalaman kung Mayor Kurt ba siya today or Mayor Bliss. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam kasi, basta.
Si ano? Si...
Dapat ako nag-bilibili.
Kita yan pag nagkaroon na ng mga memes about
Si Enchong.
Oo nga, at so far naman kung hindi masaya ang Onyx Philippines sa ginawa ni Mirko. So good luck na lang sa mga Onyx fans na susugod ngayon sa social media ni Mirko. But jokes aside, masaya manood sa ating mga re-streamers at meron din po tayong mga on-ground re-streamers. I'm not sure kung sino yung on-ground re-streamer natin today, pero sa mga last few days, si Bendix po ay nakasama natin in the FPL Playground. So kung kasya pa sa FPL Playgrounds at malapit ka lang naman dito sa Jamestown, Makati, bakit hindi na kayo pumunta para mag-enjoy sa ating mga community events? Napakadami.
Ito pala bo, sa akin. Baboy?
Kung matagal pa tayo, araw guys, pwede pa talaga yung kayong pumuntahan. Manapin ang activities sa ating area. Sa mga gusto kayo ng merch, by the way, pwede rin kayong pumunta kasi hindi pa kailangan ng ticket for the FPL Playgrounds. Pero ito na, kung inahinig na natin,
Baba dapat.
ang mga kasama natin ng super fans. So, dito sa other ground, papasok na
Game number 3 on the way. Sino mang manalo dito ay makakalamang na naman muli. Umabot na kasi tayo sa punto na napantay na naman ang ating mga grand finalists in Looking at the Fans. Tulad na naman ang sinabi ni Coach Dexter kanina ay hindi na ata makakalimutan ni Coach Wynot ang Matilda na ito. Pero katulad na lamang ng Matilda, itong Fanny ay hindi na naman makakalimutan.
Ay po, parang ayaw ngayon, masyado ng mga coaches natin is yung somehow disruptive pagdating doon sa pinaka-tempo ng game. Kasi Matilda ganoon na pwede siya mapabilis. Well, in fact, pwede na sana makasecure ng kill. Same goes with Fanny because tumatay. Very consistent din. Kasi yung PC,
hi guys, welcome to the vlog.
Naka-engage yung namatay. So, ay, paano mas-slow lang engage yung laro?
Magaling ano, sumusunod siya sa mukha ano.
Sinakuha pa rin ang neutral objective.
yung Onyx Philippines.
Pero grabe no, ang daming pag-chase yung mention na ang hirap din ang buhay doon nila Sanji. Na after the weeks pa yung sobrang vulnerable niya.
Yung Sanford literal, timpla muna ng kape kasi imagine mo yung blue kaya nilang bigyan ng mga ganun-ganun lang.
Oo, napakakunat niyan. Ang daming weight.
Bibi, come here.
And yun yung nakakatakot.
Let's say hi to the vlog.
Ibig sabihin, kailangan nilang kalkulahin kung ano man yung mga team fight ang piliin.
Say hi to the vlog, come here.
Sobrang sobrang daming chase moves din sa Onyx kasi that
Say hi guys. Oh, talk to the camera.
It's small.
You hold it.
shit! And hindi nakabawi yung liquid.
Look at your face in the camera, Bibi. Look at your face in the camera.
Look at Tito.
Look at your face lang. Visit your face, come on. Turn it around, come on. Look at your face. Look at your face in the screen. Say hi to the camera.
Maraming salamat sa ating mga casters. Narito na nga tayo sa pagkalamang ng Onyx Philippines. Matapos silang manalo sa ating game number 2, the back-to-back winning performances ng Onyx Philippines to take the lead in our best of 7 grand finals. Kung nga pala sa...
Hi, Mama.
Hi, baby.
What the Oracle pala? Para talaga nga mas maging...
Ay, look at...
Gusto ko makapanood ng
Saan yan? Libre yan, di ba?
Hi, baby.
Libre yan, di ba?
What you doing?
Hindi, may bayad yan, may ticket.
What you doing? What you doing, vlog?
Hatid na lang kita.
Doing vlog?
Look at Tata.
Ang ticket niya?
Lagi kasi kung gusto.
Look at Tata.
Eh, gusto kong panoorin Aurora, madaming fans.
Look at Tata. Look at Tata.
Look at baby. What's that?
It's a dinosaur.
What color of your dinosaur?
Green.
Wow! Oh, you do your vlogging. You sing. Popular. How about and you're happy and you know you clap your hands?
Let's give it. Don't look at it.
If you're happy and you know you clap your hands.
Don't look at it kasi, just leave it.
Yeah, I'm scared. Nangangagat yan, love. Mas masakit pa yung kama. Kaysa saan. Ay, tingnan mo, pwede na pala itong gawing CCTV. Kita buong bahay natin. Kita buong bahay natin, no? Pag nilagay dito, pwede ng CCTV, kita na rin yun dyan.
Pwede na tayo mag-ano?
Ang linaw.
Yan, kada Tony.
O, tapos nagsasalita ka sa camera. Nakakainis talaga yan si Aldrin. Paano yan, sigaw? Akala ng kapitbahay lagi may kaaway. Ganon yun, diba? Doon sa kanila.
Wala akong magagawa. Ganon talaga akong tao. Sigaw ako ng sigaw. Kasi mahina ang pandinig ko. Wala. Yung gusto niya sabihin, iniisip niya lang, tapos pag nagawa rin siya.
What are you going to tell to Tito?
Sanji was very crucial for this good sana ba doon kakakuhib katulad sa base nila.
Yet another 20-minute game should tell games 1 and 2. Nakakita tayo ng 24-minute game, 22-minute game. At ngayon, 21-minute game naman kung saan nakalabang na naman ang Onyx Philippines. Ang ganda nung pinakita
Look at the camera. Look at your face in the camera. Just face it there.
Nakita natin mula sa Team Philippines ay narinig na kung naging successful yung
pag may insect, huwag ka lalapit sa akin.
Hold on, it's not enough. Your face is not captured.
That would have been the game for Team Liquid Philippines, but sadly,
No, like that.
I think nagulat sila sa dami ng superfans. So, pagkalabas nila, doon sa shortcut, yung numbers down agad si JP, that signaled RPC to go back to the team. At nakita na natin ang techniques na lang siya pero talagang siya as we enter that part, versions
Lamang na sila kahit hindi nila makuha ang
Ah, my shirt. Oh, hi. Look at you. Look at you, Tito.
No one leaves here.
Kasi kung nag-defense sana sa lubungin
There's no insect. There's no insect, Dada. There's no insect. Insect, Dada. There's no insect.
Don't come with me, come with me pagka.
There's no insect. There's no insect, Dada. You already throw it away. You already throw it away, John. Hi, guys. Hi, Tito. Hi. Look at you, Tito. Look at you, Mama. Look at you. Look at you, Dada. Look at you. Look at you. Look at me. Hi, guys.